Hello, welcome to my channel Travelling Threads Crochet. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to find and work into the third loop only stitch. So I use this stitch in my Onda Crop Top Pattern, but you can use it in lots of other projects as well. And it produces this really pretty ridge effect, which hopefully you can see there. It pushes out the two loops from the double crochet stitch below, so you get a nice bit of texture in your project. So as I said, I'm using this for the Onda Crop Top Pattern. I'm using the chevron stitch as well, but it will work for just regular double crochet or single crochet as well. And the main point to mention is that instead of working into the normal two loops that we would on top of a double crochet stitch, which are these two loops here, we're actually going to go behind those two loops, ignoring them, and work into this horizontal loop here, which is the third loop only. Okay, so let's go and place the stitch. So I'm going to yarn over because I'm making a double crochet. Ignoring these two loops here, I'm going to look behind the stitch onto the wrong side and go into this vertical loop here. Okay, so I'll make my double crochet into there. So hopefully you can see that nice and clear, pushing these ridges forward underneath. So again, I'm going to yarn over, ignoring these two loops here that we'd normally work through. I'm going to go behind the stitch, find the third loop only behind, just there, and place my double crochet into there. Okay, so I'm just going to work that one more time for you, so hopefully you can find it. So yarn over, ignoring these two loops here, go behind the stitch, find that third loop only, the vertical loop just sitting behind, and work your double crochet into there. So if I just show you again, so this is the right side of the work, and you can see the ridges that are created by the third loop only. And if I turn the work around to the wrong side, there you can see that's how it should look. And if I just pull them up a little bit, you can see where they've come through this back loop. If I go a little bit further along the round, you can see here, that would be where I'm going to be placing my next double crochet stitch. And into the next one, it would be just that one there. Okay, so hopefully that makes it a little bit clearer to use, and you can use the third loop only stitch in whatever project you're making. And yeah, if you're interested in using the third loop only in the Onda Crop Top pattern, you can find that on my Etsy and Ravelry and lovecrafts.com. But otherwise, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have fun with your project. See you again. Bye.